Remember this scene from the Breakfast Club? That's exactly what I call this move. There's probably an actual name for it in the cutting shapes community, and if you know, go ahead and comment below. But that's what I've always called it, and you're swiveling back and forth on the ball of the foot and the ball of the heel of the foot as well. Okay, so slow down a little bit for you here. Do exactly as I do. See, my right foot is on the ball of the heel, left foot is on the ball of the toe. And you just simply rotate each one simultaneously. Okay. Now you want to start off from, here's the back position. You want to start off with both feet inverted, so point both feet towards each other, otherwise it won't work. You can still do it, your feet will just be pointing out different directions. But here you can see left foot on the ball of the foot, right foot on the ball of the heel, and you're just alternating, lifting the feet up and shuffling them over. Here it is, full speed. Let me know if it helps. Practice it, of course, and good luck.